Alright, so here we have Atlas, native token of Star Atlas. Looks like we did get a nice little breakout on the 1 hour. We are breaking the 21 right now though, so I think we come down to the 50 at 0063, possibly a wick down to 0063. Oh, hold on. If we break, let's see, I think we come down to the 50 at 006393. If we and possibly get a wick down to 006349. If we break the 200 though, that's probably going to initiate a move down to the 00623 region. So your RSI below the signal line, neutral median zone, trying to get a tick below that neutral median line. So we're going to talk about the bullish and bearish case here in a minute. MACD, strong downside curvature. Dark red bars on the histogram, pretty sharp as your vol heads up. Not looking too good right now. I mean, you did get a nice little move. You did make a higher high. We can make a higher low. We need to get back above this last high. 00668325. That's what I'm looking at. We need to break the 21 to even. We need to get back above the 21 to even try to make that move. If we do, though, I think we at least come up to the last highs and turn this 21 around and make this some sort of bear trap. We can come all the way down to the 50 and the 200 and still be in good shape. We could come all the way down to the. We could get a wick down to the 100. As long as we close back above this last low at 006246, we'll still be in good shape. That would also imply the bearish case is that you get deep in this, is that you test the top of the bearish control zone, probably get a bounce to the neutral median line, and then head down into the bearish control zone as your MACD histogram keeps printing dark red bars sharply. And your vol, your BBWP gets back above this moving average. That would not look good, especially if you break this 200. Because honestly, I think there would be a bounce here. But if you break this last high on a 1 hour closure, that is going to look like shit. So yeah, there's Atlas. Let's check the daily real quick. Oh my God, wrecked. Um, I mean it's flat. Let's see here. Yeah, I mean just going sideways, pretty flat right now. I mean completely destroyed, being held down by the 21. Your RSI, uh, getting rejected from the top of the bearish control zone, but you did get rejected before. You did bounce off the signal line. So medium term, I mean, this don't look bad. You're working your way up to the zero line. You know, your positive momentum is waning a bit, but it looks like it's trying to pick back up as your, I mean, obviously your vol's going to go, you're going to consolidate right now. Your BBWP is below the moving average, starting to print uh, a medium dark blue signal, dark blue line on the BBWP. So could have a short-term downtrend or a short-term correction, and then possibly a medium-term uh, nice little run. So we'll find out. Let's move on to Polis. By the way, if you guys are liking this video so far, like and subscribe to the channel. Support the channel. And check out the descriptions or the links in the description below. Let's go down to the 1 hour on Polis. So higher highs, higher lows. Besides for this one right here, you are being held up by the 21. But like on the 4 hour, this would be a higher high or a higher low. So like I was saying with Atlas, you could have a short-term move down, possibly to 0.3768 on Polis. Your 100 is trying to cross the 200 right now. That's a pretty good sign. So if you can cross that 200, start to fan out, that's going to look good. You did leave the bullish control zone though. After, yeah, so let's see here. No. So you did leave the bullish control zone, got to bounce off the bottom of it, came back up, dropped down. If you are below that signal line, looks like you're trying to work your way down to the neutral median line. Find out if it stops there. Back D, fresh cross to the downside, fresh cross too. Negative momentum is increasing a little bit on the histogram as your vol starts to turn around or go up. As you see, your BBWP is turning around right here after coming down pretty close to this dark blue line. So if we get back above this moving average, the vol's going to pick up pretty quick. Bullish case is that you get back above this last high, make a higher high than like the 4 hour at 38.5 cents. I would expect this to come all the way up to this breakdown point right here at 40 cents. Yeah, 40 cents is what I'd be looking at for that. That would also imply that you get back above this signal line, which also sits at the bottom of the bullish control zone. But I think if you get back above that signal line, you enter back into the bullish control zone as your MACD turns around across that signal line. See right here. You crossed down, came right back up. Let's see where that ended up. Yeah, I mean, you crossed down right here and then came back up pretty quick. So yeah, I mean, that's what I'm looking at. Bearish case is that you break the 50 to 37.5 cents and come down to the 36.8 or 0.368 and break that. So if you do break that, I think you come all the way back down to the lows at 34.5 cents. That would also imply that we get into the bearish control zone. Watch that bearish control zone and watch this histogram, because if we start printing dark red bars below this level, that's not going to look too good. As your volatility turns around and your BBWP gets back above that medium line, that middle line, and the moving average, which is basically going to be resting right on top of that. So those are my thoughts for Atlas and Polis. Once again, if you guys like this video, like and subscribe to the channel. And everyone have a great morning, great afternoon, great evening, and I will see you tomorrow.